Hi friends, I am Poonam and I am back with a series focused on the fundamentals of procurement and supply chain management. Throughout this series, I'll be discussing the diverse functions that fall under the umbrella of procurement, including their individual responsibilities, areas of overlap, and distinctions. These functions are present in every organization, either as distinct work streams or as a unified team. My goal is not to provide you with the textbook definitions, but rather to help you gain a deeper understanding of what this profession and its functions entail. So let's begin. In this initial video, I'll be covering the most frequent used terms in this field, such as procurement, supply chain management, sourcing, category management, logistics, and many more. Let's begin by discussing the concept of procurement. Over the past few decades, procurement has undergone significant changes. From being perceived as a mere purchasing function, it has evolved into a strategic function that forms the core of business operations. Put simply, procurement involves all the necessary actions required to obtain goods and services at the lowest total cost of ownership, and not merely the lowest cost. This encompasses a combination of activities such as supply chain management, negotiation, category management, contract management, and various other attributes that we will explore throughout the series. In most cases, multiple functions are involved in procurement. Focusing solely on one aspect, such as negotiation or contract management, is insufficient for an effective procurement department. It is a comprehensive profession that requires a holistic approach. Next on our list is category management. But before we delve into it, let's first understand what a category means. Categories are groups of related commodities, products, or services that share similar attributes. Category management, therefore, is a strategic and proactive process that involves overseeing and maximizing the financial and operational value of a group of related commodities, products, or services. Another important term to understand is sourcing, which is often referred to as strategic sourcing. This process involves identifying the products and services that are best suited to an organization's needs. This is achieved through a combination of spend analysis, market research, negotiation, and contracting. Now you may be wondering if strategic sourcing is the same as category management. The answer is no, and I will discuss the differences between the two in greater detail in the upcoming videos. Moving on, let's discuss supply chain management, which involves the comprehensive management of all supply, operations, and logistics functions that facilitate the flow of goods, services, and information from raw materials to finished products or services. On the other hand, supply chain integration, despite its similar sounding name, refers to the alignment of goals and objectives across functions and enterprises within the supply chain. This implies that the information and communication systems of all parties involved can seamlessly exchange information throughout the entire planning, execution, and completion of transport and logistics operations. Lastly, let's discuss logistics management, which refers to the part of supply chain process that efficiently plans and controls the flow of goods and services from their point of origin to their destination. in accordance with the customer's requirements. That concludes our discussion for now. In the upcoming videos of this series, I'll discuss several topics such as differences between purchasing and procurement, the 7th step of strategic sourcing, and how category management differs from strategic sourcing. Additionally, I'll cover the commonly applied purchasing terms and conditions that are relevant across industries. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. If you have any suggestions or other topics that you would like me to cover in this series, please feel free to leave them in the comment section. Goodbye.